I'm going to teach you today the mental operating system of 30K plus per month business owners. There are 10 mindset shifts that you need, and there's currently a mental prison that keeps you poor. This is where most people get stuck and never escape. They think their income problem is about tactics, strategies, or a lack of skill, and they endlessly learn. But the raw truth is, your income is a direct reflect of your operating system internally. The poor and rich literally think different. There's no debating that. A lot of you are operating from scarcity. I did it myself for a long time, and here are a few indicators that you need to consider. If you're constantly telling yourself that it's too expensive, I can't afford that, rich people got lucky, or I need to save all my money, I don't have time, I'll start when I'm ready. If you're saying all these things, then you're the issue and all you're doing is focusing on the problems. Wealthy people think, what's the ROI? Whereas poor people, they just look at it all as an expense. Wealthy people think in investments. You can't be sitting there every day scrolling social media, looking for motivational posts, consuming free content daily, but never taking action. You can't be just sitting there making excuses. You need to actually put in the work to get the results. There's never going to be a perfect moment to start, and that's the reality that you need to live with and actually just get started today. If even one of those points that I made hit home, then this video is for you. Because let's be real, it's not actually your fault. We've been programmed as humans to think like this from the moment that we're born. Most people think mindset work is about positive thinking and positive affirmations. And to me, that's BS. Real mindset work is about reviewing your decision-making patterns, your risk tolerance, your relationship with money, and the biggest one, your definition of what's possible. But there is an uncomfortable truth to all of this. The version of you that got you to where you are right now can't get you to where you want to go in the future. And that person has to fall away and go to the background for the new you to be born. And to know if you're ready for that, here's some signs that you're actually about to change. So let's dive into this here. If you're more afraid of staying the same than you are of changing yourself and changing your situation, if you're tired of making the same amount of money year after year, you're ready to do whatever it takes, not what's just comfortable. You understand that your income is 100% your responsibility. And I've definitely realized this since being self-employed and just relying on myself. And you realize your current environment is holding you back. This is a massive piece that a lot of people do not take advantage of. Get yourself in a different environment. And there is a 10 shift framework that we're about to dive through that you need to nail and learn. Shift 1 is changing yourself from a consumer to a creator. This is a massive shift for people. There's a lot of people in a broke mindset that spend loads of money on courses, coaching, and content, hoping someone else will change their life from them. But they need to take action. The wealthy mindset is very different. So they invest their time and money into becoming the person others want to learn from. So you actually learn a lot and become that person. And the transformation here with this is, instead of being the person who buys every course, become the person who creates courses. Instead of following every guru, become the guru people follow. And I'm not telling you to start scamming people and become that guy with the Lambos in Dubai, but I'm saying be someone that people want to be around. Elevate yourself to a level so others want to learn from you, others want to network with you. And you can take an action step on this. So for the next 30 days, document everything you learn and teach it to someone else for just 24 hours afterward. So share your insights, create content, and position yourself as a teacher, not the student. And that mental switch is absolutely massive. And you actually change yourself from being, I'm not a consumer of information, I'm a creator of value. And don't get me wrong, consuming is great, but don't depend on it. I maximize it to about an hour a day, and then for the rest of the time I'm absolutely creating, like right now for example. Shift number 2 is from perfection to progression. You need to make this switch in your mind. And there's a complete broke mindset here with this, and if you are that way, you'll wait until everything is perfect before starting. You spend months planning and never launching anything. And the wealthy mindset here is very, very different. So they ship it fast, they get it out quick, they iterate quickly, they fail quickly, and they improve through real life experience. And the action steps I want you to take here is just identify one project or task you've been perfecting for more than 30 days. Maybe that's starting an online business, starting posting content, and just launch it today. Get it out there. I don't care what state it's in. To be honest, if it's content, nobody's going to see it anyway. Maybe a few people will, and in reality, they won't care. You're not going to get a client within 24 hours, 48 hours, so just get it done now today, and set a deadline deadline of 48-hour maximum time frame. So plan it, get it done within 48 hours. And you'll make this mental switch if you do this over and over again, and you'll say to yourself, I don't need to be ready, I need to be willing to just learn in public and actually build. Number 3 shift is from comfort to courage. And the broke mindset here, they just stay in situations that feel safe but lead to stagnation. They just lead to doing nothing, no progression. And they choose security over opportunity. And the wealthy mindset is so different. They systematically expand their comfort zone and take calculated risks. That's all it's about. It's not wild throwing at the dartboard. It's absolutely calculated risk. And broke people really focus on what they might lose, whereas wealthy people focus on what they might gain. And there's an action step here you can take as well. So make a list of 5 things you've been avoiding because they feel uncomfortable, and do one of them within 7 days. Schedule the other 4 for the following weeks. This is not incredibly fast, by the way. This is just getting you started and getting you to see the results of your work. For example, send that outreach message. Raise your prices by 50%. Don't be afraid of it. Apply for new opportunities you don't feel ready for. Have these difficult conversations that you've actually been avoiding for weeks and months. Invest in that program, that coach, that tool. You know you need it. So you need to make that mental switch and realize that discomfort is the price of admission to the life that you want. The mindset shift number 4, and this is a really important one, and it's about changing your mindset from a victim mentality to a victor. And a lot of poor people will actually blame external circumstances for their lack of success, the economy, their location, their background, their resources. They haven't been inherited all this wealth. Whereas the wealthy mindset and the wealthy person takes 100% responsibility for their results and focuses on what they can just control. And a lot of broke people will say, why is this happening to me? Why am I so unlucky? Whereas the wealthy person will actually say, how can I use this to get ahead? How can I learn from it? How can I expand from it and grow from it? So for the next 7 days, I want you to ban yourself from making any excuse. There are no excuses, no complaints or blames, anything like that. When something goes wrong, immediately ask yourself, take the responsibility. How can I take my part in this and how can I fix it? So I want you to completely make that mental switch and tell yourself you're not a victim of circumstances. You're just an architect of your destiny and you're living proof that you can get the job done. Shift number 5 is from saving to scaling. And a lot of broke people in this mindset will focus on cutting expenses and saving money, and they celebrate spending less instead of earning more. Whereas the wealthy, they focus on increasing income and investing in assets, mentors that help them generate more revenue. So there's a massive income versus expense focus where the broke people will actually say, how can I spend less? Wealthy people will just ask, how can I earn more? And an action step here that you can take is actually calculate how long it would take to save $10,000 versus how long it would take to earn an extra $10,000. And focus your 90% of your energy on the earning part. It'll work a lot faster. So for example here, there's a strategy that I built. Month 1, focus on earning your first $1,000. And this can be an online business. Month 2, systemize and repeat for consistent 1K monthly. So you want it consistent, not just a once off. Month 3 is optimize and then scale to 3K monthly. And month 4, you can add new revenue streams to go to 5, 10K even. A lot of my students have hit 15, 20K in just 4 or 5 months. And then there's a mental switch that you make, so you don't need to save your way to wealth. You can actually earn your way to wealth. And trust me, from experience, it's a whole lot faster to earn your way to wealth. Shift 6 is from networking to networking. And let me explain this one. So the broke mindset here tries to extract value from every relationship, asks for favors without giving first, whereas the wealthy people will actually lead with value and build genuine relationships based on mutual benefit. So a lot of people, I'll actually go out of my way to help first because I know they'll owe me one in their mind, or else they'll actually just be willing to help me out, and you can bond or create a great relationship and working relationship with them and then get referred deals, things like that. So if you actually focus on value first networking, it's very important that you can, instead of asking something like, what can this person do for me? You can say, what can I do for this person that would genuinely help them? And you can get on their good side then. So identify 10 people in your industry who are where you want to be and actually provide them value for the next 30 days without asking for anything in return. A lot of my outreach strategies are about creating value for these prospects, these people I hope I can work with for free, and then they'll pay me down the road. Shift 7 is from learning to earning. A lot of broke people that I've seen, they get addicted to learning but never actually implementing. And they've 50 courses, they bought 100 courses, they're spending all their savings on these courses, but they've no results. Whereas when you have a wealthy mindset, you can learn enough to take action and then learn through implementation and feedback from mentors. So for example, for every hour you spend learning, spend 3 hours implementing what you learned. And do an audit for me, please, of your learning consumption. So stop consuming any new content until you've actually implemented and gotten results from what you already know. Shift 8 is a very important one, and it's from switching your mindset from cheap to valuable. So the broke mindset here, they make decisions based on the lowest price, always looking for the cheapest option, and that's not always the best option. The wealthy mindset, they make decisions based on highest value and ROI. They're willing to pay premium for quality. So focus on what results you can get and then figure out, okay, who do I need to spend the money on? What type of talent do I need that will actually get me to this result? So don't buy on price, buy on the ROI you'll get from that investment. Shift 9 is a very important one, and it's something that a lot of people will never achieve, but you can start here right now today, and it's changing from a follower to a leader. So the broke mindset, they wait for someone else to give them opportunities, they follow the crowd and do what everyone else is doing. Whereas the wealthy mindset, they'll actually create their own opportunities and lead others towards a vision. So you don't need to have a fancy title or permission to be a leader. You just need to start solving problems and helping other people. That'll naturally put you into that leader position. So identify one problem in your industry or community and create a solution and position yourself as the person who solved it. And be that and have that mental switch where I don't wait for opportunities, I actually go in and create these opportunities. Finally, shift 10 is from scarcity to an abundance mindset. And the broke mindset here, they believe that there's not enough to go around. Competition is the enemy and success is limited. I personally look at competition as a good thing. There's people doing well from it and people will continue to do so. And the wealthy mindset here, they believe in unlimited opportunities. Competition validates market demand and success is infinite. And honestly, every successful person you admire was once where you are now, and if they can figure it out, so can you. So there is enough success, money, and opportunity for everyone, including you watching right now. So every time you catch yourself in these old negative thinking patterns, I want you to stop yourself. Acknowledge that thought and think, I'm thinking like my broke old self. And ask yourself, if I was earning 30k a month, how would I feel about this situation? How would I act? And then you'll actually choose the wealthy response and take immediate action. So the bottom line is with this, you can't do 30k months while thinking like someone that does $0 every month. The thinking that got you to this current point you're at won't get you up there. And the question isn't whether this works, it's whether you'll do the work to make it work. So you have two options. You keep thinking the way you always thought and get the results that you've always gotten, which are subpar and mediocre at best. Or start thinking like the successful people and start getting the results that they get. Every day you wait for change is another day that you stay at the same income level. The opportunity cost of you staying and waiting with this broke mindset is literally costing you tens and thousands of dollars a month.